This is your CBS 46 News Update, brought to you by West Shore Home.
I'm Tracy Hutchins. We begin with this. Promising results for a COVID-19 vaccine trial. Emory researchers saying it boosted volunteers' immune systems as hoped. In the first COVID study published today in the New England Journal of Medicine, data shows the vaccine induced immune responses in all trial participants with just mild side effects like fatigue and headache.
We were pleasantly surprised that the vaccine was well tolerated. I think we were also pleasantly surprised that it did induce an immunity similar to convalescent people that recovered from the disease.
A second phase of the trial will include a larger group of participants to continue to test the effectiveness and safety of the possible vaccine. Well, this comes as coronavirus cases continue to rise across Georgia. The state health department reporting another 3,400 new cases in just the last 24 hours. Brings the total number of cases to nearly 124,000. So far, 3,054 people have died from the virus. The governor's office confirming it will send an update on reopening guidance tomorrow. That's when Governor Brian Kemp's last executive order expires. We expect to find out if he will extend our current coronavirus restrictions or continue charging ahead with reopening plans or take a step back amid a spike in cases. We will, of course, let you know the moment we get those details. Happening tomorrow, the president is set to visit Metro Atlanta. He's visiting the UPS Hapeville Airport hub. White House officials say he plans to announce a policy change to help speed up infrastructure projects. Secretary of Transportation Elaine Chao says the policy will include environmental reviews for roads, bridges, and highway projects, like the review for the I-75 lane expansion project.
The president's new policy objective will be to speed up the permitting process, set time limits, improve the coordination among various government agencies, and there's so many of them, reduce the paperwork burden, expand public participation. The public should be allowed to participate sooner in the permitting process.
Opponents say speeding up the environmental review process will put the environment and communities at greater risk because of not properly investigating possible impacts.
This has been your personal news update from CBS 46 News, brought to you by West Shore Home, Atlanta's one-day bath remodeler.